In my opinion, stocks do have room to run further to the upside with the policy response by the Federal Reserve. And on a similar note, we have looked at various billionaire investors to see what they are buying. It can be an easy way to invest simply by hitching a ride with these billionaires. But what if I told you that you can invest along with the biggest investor of them all? Hitching a ride with this investor can make you profits with limited risks. I call it the 5-minute investing plan. So let's take a look. Stocks traded at record highs in February but collapsed into a bear market at record speed. As the pandemic intensified, the Federal Reserve pledged trillions of dollars in monetary stimulus and backstops to cushion the economy and keep financial markets functioning. The size and scope of the response is a big part of why the market bounced off the March 23rd lows. Typically, the S&P 500 leads an economic recovery because excess liquidity provided during a recession generally flows into financial assets before the real economy. So looking at these two charts, and particularly the chart on the right, take a wild guess at to where the market could be headed. Again, this is not to say that the economy is going to bounce back as quickly. That's a different discussion. Mind you that this is a short-term probability. For the market to fully recover, we may need more money for sure, but we're going to need some medical solutions to the virus. A medical solution is the major long-term factor. But maybe there's another way to invest and know that your investment is going to make money. Let me show you the ultimate insider trading secret that maybe is not so secret any longer. And so here is the not so secret. Recently, the head of the global asset allocation at the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, explained that in a time when the Fed is openly buying junk bonds, investors can stop pretending they care about fundamentals. According to a statement from BlackRock, and I will quote here, we will follow the Fed and other central banks by purchasing what they're purchasing and assets that rhyme with those. So that's the secret. With that one statement, one of the world's most important asset managers just made every financial advisor, every Wall Street strategist, every MBA analyst, and every stock market YouTuber obsolete. Why do we need any more research from anyone? Because in a centrally planned market, the only thing one needs to know is what the central planners are buying or selling. That's your 5-minute investing plan. Go ahead and cancel all of your Wall Street subscriptions. Fire your financial advisor, even if it's your spouse. In an instant, the Fed has made everyone a financial genius. All one needs is to know what ETF the Fed is buying. And I'm sure you're happy to know that investing giant and ETF manager, State Street, has provided this little 5-minute investing guide. This chart here shows the U.S. listed investment grade and high yield junk bond ETFs that are eligible for Fed purchases and which will almost certainly outperform other non-Fed backstopped assets. After looking at the list, just focus on those that have a positive total return. And there's your 5-minute investing plan in less than 5 minutes. But next up will be an ETF consisting only of ETFs that are being purchased by the Fed. Wow, how convenient. And so for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.